Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn off the let finish setting up your device screen after installing new feature update on your Windows 10 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. In settings you just need to search for notification and action setting. Click on it and on right side you here is the option guys, show me the Windows welcome experience after updates, and occasionally when I sign in to highlight what's new and suggest. You just need to uncheck this box guys. After that go ahead and close out of here, restart for the changes to take effect guys. Go ahead and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.